Hello and welcome to Sitaro Ka Safar. This is your monthly guide to the ever-changing dance of the stars and planets. Each month, the universe presents us with powerful energies and opportunities for growth, reflection, and transformation. Together, we'll explore the celestial shifts shaping the month ahead and how they may influence your path. I'm your astrologer N. Baksh, and I'm here to guide you through the cosmic energy. This month, the skies are abuzz with significant movements. The sun's transition steadily through Capricorn highlights themes of discipline, ambition, and long term planning. Its influence encourages us to take charge and stay grounded. Mercury's journey aligns with clarity, enhancing communication and decision making while paving the way for practical solutions. Venus brings a touch of grace, influencing our relationships and creative pursuits with a harmonious energy. Mars completes its retrograde in Gemini, reigniting forward momentum, clarity in action, and mental sharpness. Jupiter ends its retrograde in Taurus, amplifying themes of expansion, growth, and abundance. This planetary shift encourages us to focus on stability and grounded progress. As these celestial bodies shift and align, they set the stage for new beginnings, powerful transformations, and introspection. Let's dive in and uncover the deeper layers of this month's cosmic story. For Aquarius natives, firstly, let's see how this month will be for you financially. February begins with Venus in Pisces, giving you some good energy for financial gains through creativity, art, or self expression. However, with Jupiter retrograde in Taurus, be cautious with major investments or properties during the first half of the month. Post 5th February, when Jupiter goes direct, you may begin to see smoother conditions for property dealings or family related financial matters. Saturn in Aquarius continues to provide a strong influence for long term financial planning and discipline. For those employed, the first part of the month might feel a little stagnant due to Mars's retrograde and Jupiter's retrograde. However, with Mercury's transit into Aquarius, communication and work dynamics should become clearer. This is a good time to revisit old projects or plans. After Mars turns direct on 24th February, expect a surge of energy and productivity at work. Business owners may experience some slowdowns, especially in the first part of the month due to Mars's retrograde and Jupiter's retrograde. However, with Mercury moving into Aquarius on 11th February, your thinking becomes clearer and more focused on innovation and growth. Take this time to refine your business strategy. After 24th February, when Mars turns direct, new opportunities will open up, allowing you to push forward more effectively. For people who are interested in the trading market, the crypto market might face volatility at the start of the month, with Mars retrograde affecting market energy. Jupiter's retrograde could also lead to unpredictable patterns. After 5th February, when Jupiter goes direct, some clarity will return, but still, proceed with caution. Wait for Mars to turn direct on 24th February for more confidence before diving into any new investments. Research and professional advice are essential for making informed choices. Similar to the crypto market, the share market will experience some fluctuations due to the retrograde effects of Mars and Jupiter. It is advisable to avoid high risk investments and focus on cautious, well researched decisions. Once Mars goes direct on 24th February, conditions will improve and you have a better chance of identifying profitable opportunities. Ensure you do thorough research before making any large investments. Mars retrograde is not a favorable time for speculative ventures like lottery. It's a month to focus on more stable investments and avoid relying on luck. Family wise, your married life will experience some ups and downs, especially in the early part of the month, as Mars's retrograde can lead to miscommunications or tensions between partners. Mercury's transit into Aquarius will help you express your feelings more clearly, fostering a deeper understanding between you and your spouse. Once Mars turns direct on 24th February, things will calm down and a more harmonious atmosphere will prevail. Your relationship with your parents may be more focused on financial matters and long term plans, especially due to Saturn's position in Aquarius. You may feel a sense of responsibility towards their well being. While you may experience some emotional distance early in the month, the latter half will offer smoother opportunities for connecting and offering support. It's a good time to focus on family goals and planning for the future. The retrogrades of Mars and Jupiter suggest that students may encounter a period of uncertainty or struggle early in the month. Distractions and a lack of focus could make studying harder, so it is important to maintain discipline. However, once Mars turns direct on 24th February, students will regain focus and energy. Mercury's transit into Aquarius on 11th February also brings an intellectual boost, helping students think outside the box and tackle problems with new perspectives. Students are well positioned to explore fields related to technology, engineering, science, or any creative subjects that require innovation and future forward thinking. Saturn's influence in Aquarius is particularly beneficial for studying subjects with long term career prospects and the need for discipline and focus. With Mars' retrograde and Venus in Pisces, students should avoid distractions, particularly from entertainment or social media. It is important to remain disciplined and stay focused on studying material to avoid falling behind during this time. This month is not particularly favorable for travel in the first half, especially for long distance trips. Mars is retrograde and Mercury's transit may cause delays or miscommunications regarding travel plans. It is better to wait until after Mars goes direct on 24th February, which will provide better energy for travel and movement. Health could be a concern for Aquarius natives, especially in terms of emotional health and mental clarity. Saturn in Aquarius suggests a need for self-discipline in managing stress and emotions. Avoid overexertion, especially during Mars's retrograde, which could lead to accidents or injuries if you're not careful. Take it easy in the first half of the month. Focus on a balanced diet rich in vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Avoid excess caffeine, which could affect your nervous system, and instead opt for calming herbal teas or light digestible meals. It is important to maintain a healthy lifestyle to combat any stress or fatigue. Take extra care of your mental health this month, as Saturn and Aquarius can cause stress, especially related to your responsibilities or future planning. Incorporate relaxation practices such as meditation or yoga into your routine to keep stress levels under control. Also, pay attention to nervous system health, as emotional stress can manifest physically. Thank you for joining us on Sitaraka Safar. If you're looking for personalized guidance or solutions to the challenges in your life, feel free to reach out to me on WhatsApp. I'm here to help you find clarity and direction through the wisdom of astrology. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Your feedback means the world to us and helps us grow. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update on your cosmic journey. Until next time, may the stars light your path and bring positivity to your life. We'll see you in the next video.